How to solve messages unavailable in Messenger. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever opened Messenger only to see the dreaded message unavailable error? Super frustrating, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix it quickly. This error can happen for a few reasons. The person you are trying to message might have deactivated their account or blocked you. Or there could be an issue with the Messenger app itself. So let's go through some steps to solve it. First, make sure the person you are messaging hasn't deactivated their Facebook account. If they did, their messages won't be available until they reactivate it. If their account is fine, the next step is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Messenger to display errors. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you are still seeing messages unavailable, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. If not, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and update it. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Messenger application. Lastly, it's possible the person has blocked you. If the profile isn't visible for you or can't find the account anymore, that might be the issue. And that's it. These steps should help you solve the messages unavailable issue on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.